welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be trying, I don't know if they are, but these are basically like toxic waste. It's just a different name, so let's try it. Yes, I only have one left, so I'll bet all the others. So how to open it? Isn't well, guys, I can't even open it. I know, like, it's taken me ages to open it, but wait, I might just gonna get scissors. Sorry guys, I know it took a bit long, it's just sometimes scissors, so that's what it looks like. By the way, it was black colouring, I think. Yeah, black colouring, so let's try. That's strong. Guys, you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to see how long I'm going to put it in my mouth for. 3, 2, 1. When you've sucked all the sour out of it, it's nice. There are the flavours. There's blackcurrant, strawberry, and then raspberry. Nice. I've only just noticed if you bite it, it goes really sour again. And it says not for wimps. Yeah, it says on the thing, warning, not for babies, wimps, adults. Should I bite it now? Right. Flour. Make sure you leave the thumbs up and subscribe if you're new.